The much-awaited iPhone SE 2024 is getting ready to reveal a design that mirrors the sleek iPhone 14. In today's video, we'll explore the speculated specifications and spill the beans on the release date and price. So, buckle up as we reflect on the somewhat disappointing 2022 iPhone SE and take a peek into the promising future of the fourth generation iPhone SE. Before we dive into the exciting details, let's take a trip down memory lane. The first iPhone SE made its debut in 2016, featuring the design of the iPhone 5S, and the second generation iPhone SE embraced the aesthetic of the iPhone 8. However, the 2022 model left us wanting more by recycling the iPhone 8 design, adding a touch of 5G and incorporating the powerful A15 chipset. Now the winds of change are blowing. Whispers in the grapevine suggest that the iPhone SE 2024 will break free from the chains of repetition. Brace yourselves for a design overhaul that mirrors the elegance of the iPhone 14. Face ID is expected to replace Touch ID, indicating a departure from the familiar fingerprint sensor. Two rear camera lenses may grace the back, promising enhanced photography experiences. As they say, size matters, and the new iPhone SE is expected to feature a 6.1-inch LCD display, reminiscent of the iPhone XR and iPhone 11. In a move toward cost efficiency, Apple appears inclined to opt for an LCD screen rather than OLED. The shift to a standard USB-C port, although limited to USB 2.0 speeds, aligns with rumors surrounding the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. There are even whispers about the potential inclusion of an action button. Now, let's break down the numbers. The iPhone 14's dimensions paint a larger canvas, and its weight takes a modest leap, landing 15 to 20% heavier. The move to a 6.1-inch display marks a significant departure from the current 4.7-inch screen on the iPhone SE. Embracing change seems to bring both size and weight into play. Leaking specs is a delicate dance, and none of these details are gospel until Apple makes it official. However, the prospect of a bigger screen in the iPhone SE lineup has enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. The desire for a bigger iPhone SE has been a collective plea, and it seems Apple is heeding the call. Taking a look at the release date trend reveals a pattern. The first iPhone SE arrived on March 31, 2016. The 2020 model on April 24th, and the 2022 iteration on March 18th. A spring release seems imminent, likely in 2024, as Apple traditionally spaces out its flagship and SE releases. Now let's delve into the rumored specs of the iPhone SE 2024. Brace yourselves for a 6.1-inch LCD display, offering a crisp 2532x1170 resolution at 60 Hz, backed by 6GB of RAM. Storage options may be limited to 128GB and 256GB. The anticipated A16 Bionic chip promises 5G connectivity and a 4-core GPU. An action button might join the party, along with USB-C at USB 2.0 speeds. A robust aluminum body with IP68 water resistance is on the cards, and the camera setup is likely to mimic the iPhone 14's 12-megapixel wide and ultra-wide lenses. Expect a battery mirroring the iPhone 14's 3279 mAh, with a base price of $449 for 128GB and $569 for 256GB. In summary, the iPhone SE 2024 brings a wave of change with a fresh design and a larger 6.1-inch screen. Are you excited about this upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As the leaks keep coming, remember that the journey to the official reveal is an intriguing ride, and we navigate it together. Until next time, that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share with your friends. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.